Good morning, Golden Keys, and welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. Anyhow, let me go get on to work, and anybody who's coming over, just come on over. I'll fix your breakfast too, but we gotta clean up first, okay? All right, guys, okay? Yes, I'm sure you guys would love the Earwick Okay, guys, I'm done in the living space. Now I'm gonna head on over to the kitchen and get this area together. Guys, let's get this kitchen together. Hubby brought me a sandwich, breakfast sandwich. I'll have that after I'm done cleaning from the quick trip. Let's get it. Because I want to go with something different. I had like some paisley curtains like this valance over here. The same colors. I had some long ones over there, but I took them down to wash them. And I don't know if I want to put that back up. I think I need a change. I just think I need a change in the color of the kitchen overall. Not sure when that would happen because I really want to do my ceilings in the front first before I make any other changes in here. We did get the floors done earlier this year. We had like a wood tone color floors in the living space, so we got those done earlier on this year. I think it was like in March or something like that. So maybe around that same time next year, I'll have the floors in the kitchen done, the ceilings done, and a new paint color. But for right now, we're gonna live with it. We're gonna work around it, and we're gonna continue on. Sometimes you have to work with what you have until you're able to do better, okay? What they call a come up. So once you get that come up, then you can do all that fancy stuff that's in your mind. You can make those ideas and visions come to life. So that is my prayer, that everything that's in this brain of mine and ideas that I have for this home would come forward. I would be able to see these things with my human eyes as I do with my other eyes, okay? So let me get on back to work. Let me tell you guys a story about this kitchen. Everything breaks in this kitchen, okay? No matter if my mom is in this kitchen, if my daughter is in this kitchen, if my husband is in this kitchen, if I'm in this kitchen, there has to be glass breaking in this kitchen. It drives me crazy because so many of my beautiful things I have seen broken in half. But you know what? I don't even fret about it because that means that something has to replace it. And that's where the lights go off in my head. And I'm like, okay, so we need something new there. So when something breaks, don't fret. Just know that there will be something new to replace that damaged item, okay? So let me get on back to work and clean up this mess. Sugar and glass, really? Mildred, come on. I did say the word change, and that one just happened to be like a grayish blue color. So that's like the color of my walls in here. And I did say I'm ready for a change. So it's letting me know that change is coming. Hey. Because the blue one broke, not the white one. I purchased this beauty from Home Goods. This tray cost me $20, $19.99, and I love it. It has the chrome handles, and it's wood. It's sturdy. I just loved it. I love the handles. Give you a closer look at that. It's a beauty. She's a beauty. Yes, she is. It's natural wood. It's made in India. And it's a beauty. And the price is even better. Home Goods, my store. few dishes that was in the dishwasher. I also prepped my refrigerator. It needed to be cleaned out, so I did all of that. The last thing for me to do is to sweep the floors, and as I was taking my knives out of the dishwasher, I noticed that they are getting some brown stainings on them. So I decided from now on, don't put them in the dishwasher to wash it. I don't know if anybody else experienced that problem, but these are Hampton knives and they are stainless steel. So I'm not sure as to why they're getting like a rust kind of brownish stain on them. But anyhow, the best thing to do is just to not do it anymore, right? So I will be washing these by hand and putting them away, which I did in my knife block. Yeah. And the last thing for me to do here is just to sweep up the floors. Then I'm done cleaning the front of the house. That was a good workout. I didn't put on my waist trainer today. I just decided to go natural today. Anyhow, it doesn't look bad for a 47-year-old chick. And thank you again for the birthday love, because I'm still celebrating my birthday this entire month. I wanted to share, I love to order stuff from Grove Collaborative. Some of their things I really, really love. Like, love these scrub sponges from them, from Grove Collaborative. I purchased these from them. They are a service that cater to eco-friendly products for sensitive skin and not the harsh bleach and different stuff like that. But I love these sponges I purchased from them. One side is like a scrub abrasive pad, and on the other side is the spongy sponge. And I love them. I buy them and I buy them and I buy them just to have some extras when I'm done with it, because you're not supposed to use sponges that long before you discard of them, because they hold bacteria and stuff. So I'm trading out this one here that I'm done using. I try to do it maybe every 2 weeks. I'll trade it out. And I'm going to replace it with the new one. Those come from Grove Collaborative. They come in this little package thing here. You can see. Yes, I love them. I love their products. I also get dishwashing liquid from them as well. I love the Bluebell scent. Oh God, I love it. I've also purchased some other items from them. Let me share with you guys. I purchased this scrub toothbrush from them, in which I use in my kitchen for around my sink area and the hard to reach things. And I also purchased this dish brush as well for the hard brittle stuff, for the pots and different stuff like that. And I love it. I love their products. I mainly love the look of them because of the wood and the little metal thing. This right here is the little tip that helps you get up in corners and stuff, if you can see it from an angle. Yes, I love it. Yeah. But they have a website, Grove Collaborative. I order from them all the time. You can go over and check them out, especially for the people who have asked me about, for people who are sensitive to smells and harsh chemicals. That will be the site to go to. And they deliver to your home. You could decide how much you want to spend, how often you want deliveries. If you don't want a delivery for that month, you could change your month as to when you want your product delivered. You can cancel at any time. They also have VIP, which ships free for the entire year. You can order stuff and they'll ship it to you free. It's just a great service. I've used it now, and I think it's been over a year. Guys, let me finish cleaning here, sweeping the floors, and I'm done here for today. And I pray to see you guys in good health the next time around. And thank you for tuning in to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye.